Elon Musk says blockchain Twitter is not possible, and here's why. And let's talk about this right now. This is Adam Shelton, and welcome to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's dive into this content right now. So, now let's talk about this, whole blockchain and Twitter aspect. I'm going to go right to this area here. In response to the proposal, Musk explained that Twitter on blockchain is impossible due to the inability of the peer-to-peer network to support bandwidth and other requirements. Now, the solution could work if these peer-to-peer networks was absolutely gigantic, but then the network could not be decentralized, Musk explained. Now, right here, it says this here. The disclosure of this correspondent also revealed that Bankman-Fried was willing to invest around $5 billion in the deal, with overall valuations of Twitter acquisitions ranging from $44 billion to $50 billion. Now, talking to Musk about the FTX CEO's involvement in the Twitter purchase, the spokesperson also pointed to his commitment to founder Tesla idea about humanity, and that the SBF, as Sam Bankman-Fried is abbreviated, is important donor to U.S. Democratic Party. Now, going back to this, he is saying this right here, this is why it can't happen, because the solution could work if the peer-to-peer networks were gigantic, absolutely gigantic, but then the network could not be decentralized. So that's why Elon Musk says blockchain Twitter is not possible. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.